kitchen. For today's recipe, I'm gonna make the Brazilian cheese bread. Here's the recipe. So the ingredients we need: 400 grams of tapioca starch, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup parmesan cheese, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So first, let's boil the milk together with the oil and 1 teaspoon salt. We have put there our milk and our starch together. Let's have the egg and then we add our parmesan, together with our mozzarella cheese. There you go, it's done. So we're gonna transfer it here into our pan. So there you go, guys. It's now ready to go into the oven for 20 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. So yes, after 20 minutes, guys, now it's done. Our very own Brazilian cheesy bread. I'll show you how it is inside. It's so cheap.